What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add spaces to separate the sidebar widgets into your WordPress blog posts and WordPress blog pages. So here is one of our WordPress themes, the hotel WordPress theme, and after WordPress update there is no space separating the sections. As you can see, it's all close together into this sidebar, this right sidebar. How to apply spaces right here to fix the issue? This is what I'm going to learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. First thing, go to our domain and access the domain. Normally to access the domain into the browser address bar, we're going to type our domain plus wp-admin right here and enter with login credentials. After, you're going to be able to see a page like this one right here. On this page, review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over appearance. And if you're using a classic WordPress theme like me, you're going to be able to see widgets. If not, you're going to be able to see the customize and widgets on it. No worries, okay? It's the same section. Now, locate the sidebar location. In my case, the sidebar into Visualmodo WordPress themes is called sidebar, but in every theme it can change. It can be on this section right here or this right here. So explore the sections you can see right here, okay? And as you can see, we have the search widget and the search right here. Recent posts right here, recent posts right here. As you can see, it's all here. Now let's apply some spaces. The space between search and recent posts is okay, but the space between recent posts and categories is not okay. So I'm gonna click into this plus button. So I'm gonna hover my mouse between the sections. I'm gonna be able to see this plus button, click on add block and search for an element or widget called space. Just like this, spaces. We have Visualmodo empty space, but we're gonna use spaces, the WordPress native option. Now you can select how big the space is gonna be, okay? You can drag and drop, or you can use the right sidebar of menus. Right here we have the height of the space. You can change from pixels, yen, ren. We can apply some HTML anchor or custom CSS class. And you can type how big the space is gonna be, okay? Then I'm gonna click into these three little dots right here and duplicate the space. Now I'm gonna use this arrow to move it down. I'm gonna duplicate again, move it down. I'm gonna duplicate it again and move it down. Now review the upper right corner of my screen. There is a button called update. I'm gonna update my widgets to apply the spaces. Clear up the site cache in the case that we're using site cache, and here is the result. Now the sections are separated, okay? It's looking way better and more professional. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!